on, son? Out here trying to film that, Evo just chopping me up. Oh, there he goes. What's going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning into the channel. And guys, today we took out the single cam Honda Civic. We're gonna get some pulls on, we're gonna get some wide open throttles. I think this car is ready. You know, we've been babying it for a bit, we've been putting some miles on it, but I think it's ready. It's been asking for it. The other day it was talking to me, he said, yo man, I wanna do a pull. So today, we're gonna strap some GoPros to it. Let's give it some rips. It is a single cam D16Y8 built bottom end. It has this as I was saying, it has a built bottom end, it has a Z6 crank, it has Speed Factory racing rods, it has Vitara pistons, 75.5 millimeter, and it's got a max speeding rods, turbo, Treadstone and Manifold, CX Racing intercooler, and it's just ready to rip. It's on 410cc injectors right now, so it's on the RDX ones. So I'm only having it on 7 PSI right now, which is what it was on when it was on stock block. So eventually we're gonna raise the boost, but for today we're gonna do our first rips on 7 PSI. Then maybe in a future video we'll go ahead and raise some boost. So hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna go ahead and get the car started, give you a little cinematic, and we'll get rolling. Have any questions, let us know down below. right, guys, that's where we're gonna end the video. I'm gonna go ahead and start heading home. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions on the car or anything that happened in this video, feel free to let me know, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.